going on YouTube? This video is for how to change out the battery terminals for any Dodge. If you have 2005 and up, any Dodge really. But see, as you can see, the terminals have corrosion on it, bad. Yeah, it's not getting good electricity for it to start. So I bought these from just a local auto parts store, Advance Auto. As you can see, those are the bronze gold, so it's going to be a lot better than those. So I'm going to go ahead and change them out. I got my socket wrench here, 12 millimeter socket on mine. So I'll just go ahead and loosen this up. Pop that off. Always when you're doing this, just make sure you're safe. Disconnecting that, taking that off. I'm gonna disconnect the other side. These things are on there pretty good. Been a while. These bad boys can change up. Yeah, this process really don't take long. Just gotta take this off. Take that off. So make sure you doing this. Damn, it's kind of windy today too. I need to get some new screws on this board. Yep. Pop them bad boys off. Give me a minute. It's a little stuck. I just gotta wiggle it off. Give me 1 second. So, just put this down for a second. Just trying to get it. So, just go ahead and try to wiggle mine off. All the corrosion built up on it. And once you get the terminals off, you're just going to replace the terminals with the other ones. And that's really it. So I'm just loosening this up right now. These are on there pretty good. Got that one off. And that's really it. And then you'll replace it with the new ones. Do everything, and that's really it. Thank you for watching this. Like and subscribe. And I hope this helped you out.